Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add calendar blocks on Squarespace 7.1 using the Fluid engine. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to embed a working calendar into your site, making it super easy for visitors to see upcoming events, appointments, or anything you want to highlight. Whether you're a business owner showing availability, an artist with shows to promote, or just keeping your community organized, calendar blocks are a powerful professional way to keep everyone in the loop. Let's jump into it. First, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. You're looking for the square. This is basically your website's workspace, where you make all your edits and design changes. Once you're in the square, you'll want to find the page or section where you want your calendar to appear. Imagine this like setting up a bulletin board in the exact spot where your guests will see it first. Choosing the right spot makes your calendar truly useful. Next, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click Edit. Now, this shifts your site into editing mode. You should notice your page layout changing a bit with options popping up that let you rearrange or add new features. This is the part where you get to be creative and customize your site exactly how you want. After clicking Edit, take your mouse and hover over a section of your page. It could be a part of your home page, a specific events page, wherever you'd like your calendar to live. When you hover, you'll see an option to Add Block appear. Think of blocks like little building bricks that make up your web page. Each block could be text, images, or, in this case, a calendar. Click Add Block to open up a whole menu of options for your site. Now, you're looking for the calendar option in that menu. This might require you to scroll just a bit, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. When you find Calendar, select it. With Squarespace's Fluid engine, everything is drag and drop simple. You can move your new calendar block wherever it looks best, resize it, and tweak its settings to fit your needs. This flexibility is awesome, especially if your design ideas change as you go. And there you go. Once you've placed your calendar block, it's set up on your Squarespace site. It really is that straightforward. But let's pause here. If it doesn't look quite right or if the block doesn't appear where you want, don't stress. Squarespace's Fluid engine lets you rearrange things easily. So just drag the calendar to a better spot or adjust the layout until you're happy. Real websites are always a work in progress. Even professionals tweak their sites all the time. To sum up, these few steps, going to your square, clicking Edit, hovering and adding a block, then selecting Calendar, will get your calendar running smoothly. Remember, adding a calendar isn't just about filling space on your site. It's about helping your visitors stay organized and in the know. A good calendar makes a website feel current, interactive, and useful. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Squarespace feature you're curious about. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials that make website building easier, step by step. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.